Hello everyone, my name is Vyu Mudgal and I'm a junior undergraduate in the field of chemical engineering. I'm contesting for the post of General Secretary. In the past few years, I've worked with various domains of college. I've worked in events such as Halla Bol, Jashna, Amalthya and Sanjeevani. I've worked in councils such as the PDC Council, the IRP Council, and I'm currently a student representative in the Institute Center of our college. With all this work done, I feel that I have a thorough understanding of how our college administration works and how to get work done there. So if elected with all this experience and with my motivation to do student goodwill, I would like to work on the following agendas. My first agenda would be to aid students in getting a career stability. We would do that by preparing them for competitive exams, by giving them relevant information about the current job and internship market with the help of industry leaders, startup heads, startup founders, etc. And this information might prove them to be helpful in finding efficiently jobs and internships elsewhere. Another scheme which I would propose to the college would be to give a year-long paid employment to students just after the graduation. In management roles, they would get a management exposure and they might find a job elsewhere in that year-long period. For people who want to pursue PhD or MS or research, they can get student council funded projects, or they can get remote projects from other research institutions or college. For people who want to appear for internship this year, they might get alternatively a month-long workshop like Invention Factory, but in some other domains like management, administration, finance, industry, etc. They would get internship type work experience in campus itself. My next agenda, and that too with a higher priority, would be mental well-being of students. For this, I would like to start a grievance reporting system in which students may report issues which are otherwise difficult to tackle. Secretaries would mediate in between and then give a definite closure in a limited time. For entertainment purposes and stress relief, I would like to start a IITGN radio, which would be a bi-weekly online broadcasting of exclusive IITGN related content. We would have on Radio Rangmanch, which would be a talent show. People would be singing, doing stand-up, etc. We would have fun interactions with alumni, with professors, and updates and some recent happenings of the college. I would also like to revisit and re-evaluate the student guide system of our college and extend it to PG as well. My next agenda would be covering the campus development activities. Apart from the fact that students would be given the opportunity to redesign and modify our campus facilities and name them, I would be proposing a flexible laundry service in which people would be allowed to give their laundry on any week and then track it digitally. A beta campus program would be launched in which students would be allowed to implement new ideas and if successful on a smaller strength of students which are in campus right now, then they would be scaled up. The next point of my agenda would be that I would propose to the college to waive off non-tuition fees for non-resident students, and I would propose to increase the pass-fail quota for the next semester, which would be online. Also, as students would start returning to campus sooner or later, a dedicated COVID-19 management team would be set up to facilitate students' return and their safe stay at campus until times when COVID-19 is not active anymore. These are the highlights of my manifesto, and I recommend you to go through the entire version, which would be sent to you by mail. If you like the vision of my tenure, then please vote for me, or else do vote. Thank you.